So let's look at Loki. So now divinity says, okay, here's Loki, superconscious, conscious, subconscious, zero. Okay, now divinity says, as long as Loki is zero, I can come forth from the void, from the zero, and I can inspire her. So now the inspiration comes in, which is the breath of God. So divinity breathes into Loki, and what does divinity breathe into Loki? Whatever talent she has, whatever direction she has, but this is the divinity doing it. So divinity is, so when Loki is inspired because Loki is allowing God to come through. So the divinity speaks for her, divinity directs the camera, divinity does whatever, but as long as Loki is free from memory, divinity flows, has its way. So this goes on until something happens called memory. So as soon as the memory comes up, it cancels inspiration, it cancels zero, and you're displaced. You're out of step. So memory takes you out of step, and we've been out of step for so long, and we've been out of step probably for 99.9999% of the time. So the hooponopono is about getting you back to zero.